Gracie.
I'm Laura. We are the co-founders of Ground Grooves, and we are going to be co-teaching an intermediate level class today.
Fun. Enjoy the purple.
This is an excerpt from a full class that you can take on GGTV. Please make sure you're warm before you do this phrase. Have fun!
So we're going to start with the feet facing the back, and you're on your back. There will be nothing new, so we're going to take 3 swings. We go to the right, to the left, to the right, tuck the right elbow, drop the head heavy, and then your right foot will plant down to the front. Open the arm, close the arm. This will move directly side, so we're going to the shins, open, and then fingers will plant to the front. Unwind the right leg to find vertical. We have our inversion. Here's the difference. From here, we're just going to slide directly to this diagonal. A slide, open the shin, shoulder, shoulder, gather. Then you're just going to walk around the space. You're going to step on your left foot to your front, let the hips descend, and we're going to move into our backs. And now we're on the other side. Let's just review that left side one time all together. So we're going to swing 3 times. Thighs drop to the left first. Tuck the left elbow. The foot will plant to the front. Open the arm. Close the arm to the shins. Plant the feet. Circle the fingers around to your front. In vertical. Shift forward. Slide to your left diagonal. Open up the left knee. Shoulder, shoulder. Gather. Maybe we can just chat about 1 or 2 more thoughts while I am seeing stars.
My current thought is I'm really struggling with my inversions today. Give me a hot tip. Something new to think about.
I mean, the thing that I'm really thinking about today, because I feel like I'm overshooting it.
Oh, okay.
Is I feel like I'm really like getting into the finger pads and then making like a cup here and using the finger pads as a brake pad like that, so that I feel that I can go push a little bit further. It's like my safety net.
Okay. Oh, that was nice. Okay.
I feel like also your bottom leg is too heavy.
Too heavy.
Yeah, I would lift it. That thigh bone really weighs you down. Yeah.
Okay. Great. What I've been thinking about is trying to find more square hips, and I'm like really trying to have like an energetic through my upper heel, but I have not been thinking at all about, I love that heavy leg because it's my safety net, you know?
Yeah,
Okay,
I think
I'll think of those
the parallel leg is a good thing to think about, especially if you're hyper flexible, because when this leg turns out and we get into our flexibility, then this leg can be even heavier. You know what I mean? It doesn't need to lift, but I think that thigh bone is so heavy that it really weighs you down. And when you're more parallel, it encourages the leg to lift a little bit higher.
Right. Okay, great.
Okay, great. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Maybe with a little bit of speed.
Oh, fun.
Okay, great.
Yeah, some tossing feelings.
Let's get that tossing energy going.
Great.
Big breath in. Exhale, drop the thighs to the right, 1 to the center. Really swing back that leg with energy. 3rd time. Toss the right arm and the right leg. Reverse. Pass through the shins. Keep that turn going. Transfer the weight, find vertical. Shift. Pushing into the finger pads. Standing up. Slide to the right. Open. Move through the shoulders. Keep going with the head. Toss. Walk around your space. Catch your breath. Woo! Step forward on the left, drop the pelvis. And to the left, drop the thighs. Think about the back swing of this leg having energy. Swing. Tuck. Toss the arm and leg forward. Left hand down. Keep this moving. Shift forward. Slide to the left. Open it up. Ooh, mama. And step forward on the right foot. Drop the pelvis onto your back. Let's do that one more time. Both sides. Drop the thighs to the right. Oh my goodness. Excellent job, everybody.